Have you ever wanted to give your Google Slides presentations a professional finish by customizing the footer? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit footers in Google Slides in 2025 so your slides look polished and consistent. First, open your presentation. From the top menu, go to View and select Theme Builder, sometimes labeled as Master. This is where you control the overall design of your slides. On the left-hand panel, you'll see all your slide layouts. You can choose the master slide to apply changes to every slide or pick a specific layout if you only want the footer on certain slides. Next, click on the existing footer placeholder, or if there isn't one, add a new text placeholder using the insert menu. Once it's there, type in your custom text. This could be your company name, a date, or a catchy tagline. The toolbar gives you full control to adjust the font, size, color, and style so your footer matches the look of your presentation perfectly. When you're happy with your edits, simply close the theme editor by clicking the X in the top right corner. All changes will automatically apply to every slide that uses that layout, giving your presentation a clean, professional finish in seconds. And that's it. Editing footers in Google Slides is simple, fast, and makes your presentations look polished from start to finish. Now your slides are ready to impress anyone who sees them.